Hello, my name is Triprayaraj. I am going to do a C++ program for doing some push, pop and display in stack. The question for this is like this, that we have to demonstrate the working of stack in by pushing, and pop means deleting, and displaying what we have done. After that, we have to use this stack as palindrome, a pattern recognizer checker. So we are coming to the program. This is hash include IOStream. This is the header file to for input and output. The second one is using namespace std, that is used for so that we don't have to use before every cout and cin statement. After that, we are declaring some variables, that is integer variable rp is equal to 1 and answer dl. Again we are declaring integer array of size 50. Again we are declaring integer top is equal to -1 and maxi is equal to 50. And after that, we are generating a function integer push. The curly braces start this function. In this if statement we are giving, that is top is compared with maxi minus 1. If this is the condition fulfilled, the cout statement will tell that the stack is full, and it will return to 1 by showing that it is full. In the else condition, it will increase the top, as it is not full, means it will increment, and the cout statement will be like this: the enter the element to push, means it is empty, not full, so that we can give any input in that to full the stack. The second function we made is integer pop. In this, we are going to delete some of the field in this array. In this also, we are using if statement, that is top if top is equal to -1, means if this condition is like this, the top is equal to -1, then the statement will be print is the stack is empty. In this case, stack will be empty, and for that it will return 1. As it is an integer function, it has to return some value. Else the top will be delete a top, means else if it is not empty, it can delete something, and if it is empty, nothing will be there to delete. So in else condition, top minus means one of its column or anything will be deleted. The third function is int that is used for displaying. In this, start with the curly braces. The stack elements are displayed in this. For displaying that, we are using a for loop. The for loop will be working till top. First I is initiated with 0, but it will go to the top. And cout is the array ai. Until the I will go on, it will be printed. Then all the curly braces have been closed, and the main function is started. In the main function started, we are printing a statement that it is showing that enter the size of stack. With what is should the size of stack will be, and user has to input. So cin we are taking maxi, how much of maximum size of stack he wants. Then we are using do. In do, we are using printing a statement that what option the user wants to do, either push, pop, display or exit. And after that, we are using cin, user input we want. And then we are using switch case, and switch answer will be if it will be 1, case 1, that is push. then the push function will be executed, which is above the main function we declared. If it is 2, the pop function will be done, and if 3 will be there, it will display. After every case we are using break, that will not allow the second case to be executed. It will break the state, it will make the control out of the loop. And default we are using if none of this is used, that is invalid input given by the user. Again we are using while statement we are using so that this program can be run by more and more times. Just after the program has given the output, again if we want to use, we can use it by giving answer 1 for using it again, 4 again. If you want to, from 1 to 4 we can use, if we want to use it again. By using this stack program, we are going to do another program, that is palindrome program. Here we are giving the same header file as IOStream, that is for input and output we know, and the second header file has include string.h. This header file we use to, so that because we are giving here taking a string, and the using namespace std is the same like the previous program we used, so that we don't have to use it again in front of cout and same. The variable which we are taking is rp is equal to 1 and answer del. Again a variable array is taking with the maximum size 50, and top is equal to -1 maxi 50, push int n integer. This function we used, and the function will start with this curly braces. If the top is equal to max -1, stack is full, same like the previous program we did. Else the top plus plus means if it is empty we can give some inputs. The second is pop, it will delete some of the, how much we want, it will delete information from the array. Else if the stack is empty, nothing can be deleted, and if stack is not empty, it will delete something what the user will tell. Then the main function start. We are taking a character pel 9, means this is the 9 character we are going to store in this cout. Enter the word, this will be displayed to the user. After that cin statement we are using pel, means now user has to give some inputs. We are declaring a variable int len strlen pel, that is used for getting the length of the palindrome, and not palindrome of the string. Then we are giving a for loop that is initiated with 0, and till I less than len it will work, len the length of the string. Then we are using the function push function is used so that the user can put something in that. For int I is equal to 0 and I less than len, and again I plus plus. Again a for loop we used. If pop is not equal to pel I that the user has given, the cout will be printed as it is not a palindrome, means the pop out we are deleting the inputs if it is not matching with the pushing input which the user has given, means they are not similar, so it is given as it is not a palindrome. And break, so that it can break the statement from here only, making the control out of the loop. Again we are using if I is compared len -1, it is a palindrome. If this condition is right, cout will give that it is a palindrome, and return 0 as it is an integer main function, it will return a value and return to 0. See, we will run this program. Firstly we will run the previous program. See, it is running. It is enter the size of stack 2 we are giving. What we are going to push first, we will see, that is enter the element to push 1. Again we are doing push only, it will be 2. Then we are taking as 2 to be done pop. It is saying that element is choose an option 1. Again we are taking 3 as a display. It has been deleted, so nothing is in the stack. Second, we are checking this. The program has to be run. Enter the word. See, it is not a palindrome, so this program is working. Thank you.